Greetings to you all. Welcome to Creative Writers. Pen Crowns Vision. Part 2. Here comes poet Mrs. C. Shanti. Dear soldiers, my dear soldiers, you are in the borders. You save us daily. The word sacrifice, born for you only. Without door, our home is impossible. Without you, our country is horrible. Oh God, thanks to all the soldiers. They are our great defenders. Oh soldiers, your mom is very lucky. Your wife is specialty. Great salute to you and your family. May God bless you and your family. You save us from enemy. We live here happily. Next, Mrs. U. Maragadam. Dear soldiers, the real heroes of motherland, not only the warriors, but also the defenders, throughout the year, strive hard for the homeland, not bothering own homes. Sacrifices of their lives are visible, innumerable relinquishments of their precious, cherishable lifetime moments passing away in them are invisible. Hats off to the truthful native soil lovers. Next, Mrs. P.T. Manimigalai. Dear soldiers, a mother who saves her son by feeding her blood as milk, a son sheds his blood to save the mother nation. The soldiers are not only the real heroes, but also true sons. They save amidst so many difficulties and threats. They leave beloved family members out of patriotism. Freedom fighters struggled to get independence. Soldiers fight to preserve our freedom with their valor. Next, Mrs. J. Saranya. Dear soldiers, organize themselves as military, getting ready for rivalry. Their walk is like stormy. They can't even be imagined virtually, often in hasty. That is why not even known melody. His baton is his gun, really. Having pride of destroying enemies, that adds one more degree in the academy, unaware of the happenings in his family, bearing their portraits in their mind gallery. Never worry of his belly, expecting death becomes their destiny. Green, brown, and red, their fantasy. Giving their life is their mastery. That's why they called themselves as army. Next, by Mrs. A. Sushila. Dear soldiers, courage and weapon build you up. Engage always in protecting our nation. Nothing mean you more. Only blue suits like fashionable. When war commences, Josh becomes higher. Your goal is targeting our enemies as fire. Protecting our troops on ground is a challenge. It's daring adventure. What you gain? Each drop of blood is tribute. Our country always feel happy protecting everyone. You are the armor, so we are living here safe. Not say simply thanks, but we give support. Next, by student J.H. Ashia from 6th Standard Government High School, Melpatambakam. How are you, dear soldiers? How is your health? Thank you so much for your hard work. Thank you for watching our India. Take care. We pray for you. Next, by Mrs. Sharda Meena. Dear soldiers, soldiers waiting at the borders, you are the border gods to us. You are the border gods who will awaken us from your sleep and wake us up. Next, Mrs. Nirmala Nagarajan. Dear soldiers, salute to the striving hearts. Sacrifice be thy true mantra, selfless as thou. In all aspects, matchless are thy real deeds, born to bear all hardships. Blessed art thou to serve all souls. Our blessings be with thou at all times, the guardian angels of our lives. May thy families never miss thee. Let their proud parents ever be happy. Thou art precious to every citizen. Never opt to lose your lives at any situation. Praying the Almighty for their safety, who ever bother about others' security. May the glory and honor never fade. Get going bravely in all the parade. Next is from Mrs. Jacinth Mabel. Dear soldiers, S is for sacrifice, O is for obedience, L is for lawfulness, D is for daring, I is for integrity, E is for ever ready, R is for resourcefulness. You soldiers are daring, bold, and courageous, sacrificing your lives at stake. You care more for a country than your kith and kin. You deserve the best. Your reward in heaven will be great. You live in our hearts. We owe you all our salute. Our respect and love is sent your way. Long live our soldiers. Next, by Mrs. P.R. Kalyani. Dear soldiers, we love our nation in only words, but you show it in your excellent deeds. Deeds are always powerful than bare words. For the safety needs gently crossing the hearts. Usually we love our mothers more than they too, but your great mothers gifted you to this nation crew. When in service, how did you forget everything and throw? Keen ears, sharp eyes, and iron legs are ready to stand in a row. We are sleeping here safely with our children. You are safeguarding there to strengthen. We are dining with delicious food we like. You are filling the stomach only when the hunger hike. Heavy boots, weapons, and uniform are your pride. When in rest, dreaming about our lovable bride. Great sacrifice you are doing for the nation, controlling all the family bonding and emotions. Our humble salutes, dear brothers and sisters. Mother Nation connects us all in disasters. Soldiers are greater than ordinary human. They are born to save our mother nation. Our next poet is Mrs. B. Deepa. Dear soldiers, you are far above from the gender discrimination, color variation, border bias, protecting our nation like your chastity, being soiled and blooded, to view the purity of our flag. We salute thee by ever bowing. Our next poet is Mrs. A. Sushila. Dear soldiers, you are marching, wearing with jungle dress, having a forest camouflage pattern, a flamboyant make sure doesn't make a superhero. You are the selfless Jawan. Sacrifice thyself. Thou art the war hero. Need to honor thy bravery. evacuate, and destroy the enemy's tactics, carrying piles of ammunition, marching towards the battlefield, camouflage, beside towards bivouac. After evacuating and defeating the enemy, our country celebrates our conquest. So, thou art a real superhero. Jai Hind. Our next poetess, Mrs. Lavanya. Dear soldiers, you are the symbol of sacrifice and love. We consider ourselves for our nation's dove. You are majestic heroes of our motherland. You are our optimistic brand. I astonish. When do you sleep and wake up? There is no time to have coffee to sip. Don't you have any personal pleasure? Definitely, we are not like you with sure. Occasionally, we share our patriotic feels to be here, but you yourself block your gaiety there. I observe the black marks in your hands when you handle the weapons. Here, the youths listen to good music. There, you hear the bullet sound. Your physical fitness and the valorous strength make the lions to run away from the forest. Your stiffness uniform attracts us gorgeous look. With the whole nation bow our head, honorable salute to your great devotion and dedication to our nation. Next, from Mrs. Susie Jean. Success and patriotism unfolded. Feel proud to highlight the soldiers molded. Things you do for the country, doesn't it? Can never be equalized by any modeled. Soldiers give life with a spirit of patriotism. Soldiers are the real heroes with purism. Soldiers are ready to sacrifice their blood for the nation without egoism. Soldiers' quality of equality makes them heroism. Soldiers' strength in the country is a symbolism. Soldiers play a major role in the country's defeatism to protect our country against terrorism. Great salute to all soldiers. Our next poet is Mr. G. Burgeon. Dear soldiers, even when the final breath is reached, they never think to relax. Monsters thought they died. The lost warriors never dies. They are not buried, they are sowed. They will be reborn with more power. Their sacrifice spread around the country. 10 soldiers will rise for a single soldier. They will drive away the monsters soon, like a tree that sprouts when it is cut down. When one soldier dies, many soldiers will form. We are alive because of the soldiers. We must salute them for keeping us alive. Our next poet is Mrs. M. Uma Selvi. Dear soldiers, you are the real heroes who risk your lives every day. You sacrifice to lightens the mind and gives you a sense of peace and joy. You are one of the greatest assets. Salute to the brave soldiers who are fighting in the battlefields to save our life. Live for something better rather than die for nothing. Thank you for the risk you take and the sacrifices you make. Our next poet is B. Dashmi. Dear soldiers, we are so proud of you. Your sacrifices, your dedication, and patriotism really inspires me to love my country even more. Our next poet is S. Priya. Class 6, Government High School, Melpatambakam. Dear soldiers, thank you for protecting our country by risking your life and helping our life. We lead a peaceful life only because of you. We also salute the families of our soldiers who are brave enough to send you there. We love all who stand at the border to protect the entire country, great salutes to you all. Our next poetess, Shanmugabhuvan, Class 6, Government High School, Melpatambakam. Dear soldiers, thank you very much for watching our country. Most of the time, you live in the border of our country. Sometimes you survive without proper food for many days. You are ready to sacrifice your life for the safety of our motherland. You are the real hero of our country. Great salute for all real heroes. Our next poetess, Mrs. Mahalakshmi. Dear soldiers, the heroes of every border who are present in every corner when we are all asleep, you still guarding us by dedicating your sleep. Hot summer days or chilly winter days, still protecting us with guns raised. Finally dedicating your life for our nation, which makes everyone an inspiration. Thank you, dear creative writers. It was really fantastic. All the words are coming from the depth of the heart. Oh, a lot for the nation protectors. And here we see some of the artwork done by class 6th students of Government High School, Melpatambakam. So this is just to instill the patriotic spirit in the children, and they have a vast love, deep love for all the soldiers.